My name is Carlos Gonzalez. I'm a power plant instructor at George T. Baker Aviation Technical School. There are many paths you can take in aviation. You can become a mechanic, like myself. I was 35 years in the industry, air traffic controller, or a pilot, to name a few. The school offers many opportunities for A&P mechanic, airframe and power plant mechanics. Airframe is based on the structure of the aircraft, like the fuselage, the wings, and then power plant is actually the actual engines of the aircraft. And that would be the two main licenses. In this industry, the mechanic's role is very important. It's to keep this airplane safe, not only for the passengers, but also for the co-workers like the pilots and the flight attendants. This school is a special school because it offers this program to high school students. That means they're able to do dual enrollment. This opportunity is actually free. They could start with the first part of the program, and by the time they become seniors, they should have accumulated enough classes that they could actually graduate with one license. A student in this school will learn mainly a lot more hands-on than any other school. In the power plant side, they're going to get to tear down an engine, inspect it, do several repairs, put them back together, mount it on a stand, and the engine at the end of the class has to run. On the airframe side, they're going to get to do a lot of structure repairs with aluminum, that being on the aircraft that we have parked outside the school, or even projects inside the actual shop. To complete the program, taking 2 classes at a time, it would take just under 3 years. We get a lot of the industry calling the school for mechanics. We're able to place them in good quality jobs at about $70,000 a year with no experience. And there's a lot of jobs that even with all the students that we have in this school, we cannot fill. It's incredible that this industry is so hurting for so many mechanics.